Ever dreamt of running your own business but unsure where to start? Today, we're diving into 10 powerful mini manufacturing machines you can buy right on Amazon that could help you turn your dreams into reality. These machines can kickstart profitable side hustles or even full-time businesses without breaking the bank. And the best part? They're all easy to operate. If you're looking to make money from home, keep watching, because these machines can make it happen. Let's jump right into it. First up, we've got the staple making machine, a powerhouse for industries like construction, furniture, and hardware. This machine cranks out between 80 to 120 strips per minute, ensuring efficiency and precision. With basic models starting at $4,500 and high-end models going up to $20,000, it's a significant investment, but one that can pay off quickly if you're serving a high-demand industry. Imagine producing thousands of staples each day. This machine practically runs itself with its automatic functionality, reducing human error and ensuring consistent quality. Next on the list, the sock making machine, a dream come true for anyone looking to dive into the fashion world. Whether it's athletic, casual, or customized socks, this machine can handle it all. Starting at $5,000, this machine lets you tap into the booming custom sock market. Imagine creating your own sock brand, producing unique designs at home, and selling directly to consumers. Think it's impossible to compete with big brands? Think again. In the era of personalization, small-scale businesses are thriving by offering what the big players can't: customized, high-quality products with a personal touch. Ever thought about starting a cleaning business with a twist? The laser cleaning machine is your answer. From rust removal to surface cleaning, this machine is a game changer for industries like manufacturing and automotive. Prices range from $600 to $88,000, depending on the customization. But think about the service demand. With eco-friendly cleaning on the rise, you can quickly carve out a niche. Now, if precision is what you're after, the CNC glass mirror cutting machine is perfect. Whether it's round, square, or custom shapes, this machine cuts with high accuracy, making it ideal for businesses in glass and mirror cutting. Starting as low as $1,900, this machine could easily turn your home garage into a glass cutting workshop. Imagine this: you get an order for custom cut mirrors for a luxury hotel. With this machine, you can fulfill that order quickly, offering top-notch quality without the need for polishing after cutting. The Tufting Gun machine is a creative entrepreneur's best friend. It allows you to design and create custom rugs and carpets with ease, and it's incredibly popular right now. For as low as $100 for basic models, you can start making and selling your own designs from home. Higher-end machines range up to $1,500, but the return on investment is impressive once you build a following for your designs. I know someone who started selling their handmade rugs on Instagram, and it quickly took off. Thanks to their Tufting Gun, they were able to fulfill custom orders and now run a thriving online shop. For those in manufacturing or looking to get into it, the laser welding machine is essential. Known for its precision and clean welds, this machine is a go-to for industries like automotive, electronics, and aerospace. While it requires an upfront investment, starting around $10,000, its precision and speed more than make up for the cost. You'll save materials, time, and increase profits through efficient production. Love food? How about turning it into a business with an automatic roti making machine? This device can roll and cook perfect rotis in seconds, making it a hit in restaurants or catering services. Starting at $1,000, it's affordable for food entrepreneurs looking to scale quickly. If you're into e-commerce or photography, this is a must-have. The 360-degree rotating photography stand allows you to capture products from every angle, perfect for online stores. Starting at $200, this tool can dramatically improve your product photography, leading to more sales and a professional-looking online shop. Chalk might seem old school, but the demand for dust-free and colored chalk is rising in schools and craft industries. A chalk-making machine allows you to capitalize on this with minimal startup costs. Starting around $500, this machine is perfect for small-scale entrepreneurs. With sustainability trends on the rise, the edible cup-making machine is perfect for environmentally conscious entrepreneurs. Create eco-friendly, biodegradable cups made from wheat, rice, or corn, adding a unique selling point to your product. Starting around $2,000, this is a future-forward investment in the food industry. And there you have it, 10 incredible business machines that can turn your entrepreneurial dreams into a profitable reality. Whether you're into manufacturing, fashion, or food, there's a machine here that can help you get started. Be sure to check out the links in the description for more details on each machine. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more business ideas coming your way. What business idea are you most excited to start? Let me know in the comments below.